friends, Vijay here. Today we are going to review the Harmonic Twins. This is the Bluetooth earbuds from Harmonics. I've never used the earbuds in the past. I didn't even want to buy it, thinking that I may lose one of the earbuds somewhere. So I've never been a big fan of earbuds in the past. Apparently this was given as a gift to me, and I thought, let me review this product. It's a very interesting product, and I kind of started liking this device after 2-3 days use of, and it's got its positives and negatives. Let's get into the unboxing and review. The earbuds are 1,999 Indian rupees, and you can get it on Amazon. And I think it is very nicely priced considering the features it has. So let us now check out the important features of the device. So this is in-ear Bluetooth earphones. It's got high definition stereo sound. Both the earbuds and the carry case have got rechargeable batteries. So the earbuds has got a 43 mAh rechargeable battery, and the case has got a 380 mAh rechargeable battery. So the total time it takes to charge is around 2 hours, and post that you can listen to 4 to 5 hours of uninterrupted music or phone calls, and the standby time is around 120 hours. So I typically use it in my office, and I also listen to music 1 to 2 hours in the evenings. So the battery life has been very good, so I've been charging it only once in 2 days. And for rupees 1,999, I think it's doing a fairly decent job with respect to noise cancellation, with respect to the size. It's very pocket friendly, it weighs very light, it's a very few grams, and easy to use as well. So you just pull it out, and it's automatically connected to the phone. And if you actually see, it's not too large a device. It fits nicely to the ears, and even if I'm going to have any violent movements, so for example, if I'm going to use it for some sports like running or cycling, so even if I'm going to shake my head so violently so that you can see that it fits very nicely, it does not fall off, and that is one thing I liked about this particular earbud. And when I put this back, you can see that it automatically starts charging. Earbuds comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. So you can actually pick the cushion that suits your ear well. And another feature that I want to mention here is, which I really like, is suppose you are listening to music, and if you want to share it with a friend or a family member, so you can just pass on one of the earbuds to them rather than being constrained when you actually typically use headphones. Unlike that, you can just pass this device to them, and you can also move around, they can also move around, and that is one cool feature that I like with the earbuds. So to give you my opinion about this device and to summarize, when I initially got this device, I was actually very annoyed in the way in which I had to set up this device because I was not aware. So I had to kind of pair the earbuds first. So one earbud to the other had to be paired, and then I had to pair my phone with one of the earbuds. So it was like a two-step thing that I had to go through. But I think the pairing of the buds I learned was afterwards easy. It's just a tap and it gets paired, and then you pair it to the phone. But post that, it's been a very pleasant surprise for me. The battery backup is fantastic, and I love the way in which the earbud is always 100% charged when you pick it up to use it. And once you pick it up from the smart case, it's automatically connected to the phone and ready to use. And when you put it back into the case, it automatically disconnects from the phone. So for 1,999 Indian rupees, I think it's a very, very good buy. So you can try it.
Don't forget to give your feedback about this video in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.